Good morning, everyone. My name is Swavalam, and I am going to present my seminar topic today. My seminar topic is humanoid robotics. So let's discuss about it. The first question is, what are humanoid robotics? A humanoid robotics is a robot with the body shape built to resemble the human body. In general, humanoid robots have a torso, a head, two arms, and two legs. Some humanoid robots also have heads designed to replicate human facial features such as eyes and mouth. Features of humanoid robotics. Humanoid robots are especially desirable in human society as they can work well in indoor environments that have been designed for humans. The technical characteristics for humanoid robots are facial expressions, walking, speaking, and hearing, body gestures, and vision. As you can see it from diagram, all the body parts and all the gestures are shown in diagram. From there you can understand it the all the features of humanoid robots. These characteristics are believed to be essential in every humanoid robot involved in education. The attempt to simulate the human body leads to a better understanding of it. Humanoid robots, are especially those with artificial intelligence algorithms, could be useful for future dangerous and or distant spaces exploration missions without having the need to turn back around again and return to Earth once the mission is completed. Humanoid robots in psychology, its advantages and disadvantages. We are going to discuss it in coming slide. Advantages: humanoid robots communicate with humans. Along with communicating, they even respond through emotional facial expressions. Paro is a robot designed by Dr. Takandri Shibata to share happiness and relaxation. There are some robots that can show their emotions through their face expressions. For example, iCat, developed by Philips Research to study aspects of robots capable of mechanically rendering their faces. Humanoids are developed to mimic human behavior and can be used to perform tasks for playing games, helping to learn new skills, etc. These are some basic advantages of humanoid robots. Here are some here you can see the Paro iCat, which is very useful to a child which is not so much stable, which is in hospital, and gives this iRobot can give her joy to this little girl, as you can see in the slide. Here are some emotions represented by iCat. As you can see, the iCat can be happy, sad, excited. All the expressions catched by the iCat is very perfect, and you can see it from the slide. Disadvantages: robots operate only when given specific instruction. Once the instructions have been provided, the robots will work. However, they cannot think on their own and therefore are not equipped to solve a crisis in case any occurs. Robots are sometimes be very dangerous if not controlled. Because of their unintelligent nature, they can be harmful to humans, as you can see in Terminator movie. If we have these robots doing these everyday jobs, you will be very too dependent on robots, which ultimately we do not want to be fully dependent on robots. Purpose of humanoid robots: humanoid robots are created for entertainment purpose. Humanoid robots are now used as a research tool in several scientific areas. Some humanoids are created to carry out specific tasks such as personal assistant using AI, helping out elderly homes, and so on. Humanoids are suitable for some best vocabulary such as reception desk. Humanoid robots, especially those with AI algorithms, could be useful for future dangerous and or space exploration missions. Some notable inventions of humanoid robots are, we are going to discuss it in further slide. Robotic avatar, introduced by Toyota in 2017. The THR3 is a humanoid robot that mimics the movement of its human operator like a real-world avatar. Updated for Tokyo Olympics, the THR3 improved controls can walk more naturally. Envisioned as mobility services in the future, their humanoids will be able to perform surgeries while their operators, human doctors, will be controlling them from another part of the world. It can also be very useful to their work remotely to those in need of assistance or to live more independent life. Robotic avatar is very useful in day-to-day life, and it is very in advanced also. Robotic ambassador. Hanson Robotic most advanced human-like robot Sophia, as we all know, personalities our dreams of the future of the AI. As a unique combination of science, engineering, artistry, Sophia is simultaneously a human crafted science fiction character depicting the future of AI and robotics and a platform for advanced robotics and AI research. The character of Sophia captures the imagination of global audiences. She is the world's first robot citizenship in the first robot invasion ambassador for the United Nations developed program. Sophia is now household name with appearances on the Tonight Show and Good Morning Britain, which you can watch on YouTube. The Rasmi Robot. Rasmi Robot is the world's first Hindi speaking and India's first realistic lip syncing humanoid robot which can speak four languages: English, Hindi, Bhojpuri, and Marathi. Developed by Ranjit Srivastava, a 38-year-old programmer from Ranchi. Rasmi uses linguistic interpretation system (AI) and visual data to interact with people. The Indian robot Rasmi was built in 2 years of time and has earned positive remarks from many experts such as Dr. Samanth Chattopadhyay, Associate Professor of IIT Indian School of Mines. The robot has many features besides the lip syncing. The Rasmi gives facial lips and eyes, pose expressions. She can move her neck too. Challenges in making humanoid robot. As we all know, manufacturing procedures, use of old age hardware like gears, motors, and actuators make robot rigid and more susceptible to damage. Solution: developing robots that are more flexible with less points of joints and connecting parts. Facilitating human robot collaboration. Cobots, collaborative robots, must be able to understand human emotions, language, and behavior in order to work in partnership with humans in industrial setting. These are the some challenges which are possibly coming through when you are going to make robots. Creating better power sources. Most present day robots are highly inefficient in terms of energy consumption. These robots still rely on an age-old power generation and storage techniques, lithium ion and nickel methyl hydride, which are usually unsafe and deplete quickly. Mapping environments. Robots are unable to navigate through obstacles in the path, leading to delays in carrying out the assigned task or even cause accidents. So it cannot auto detect the path like which are coming stones and anything. So it is a better disadvantages. Minimizing privacy and security risk. The data used for training robots can be misused by reprogramming and modifying it. The data collected by the robot, such as videos, images, and location details, can be misused in the wrong hands. Developing reliable AI. Technology cannot be trusted completely. Currently, AI is no match for human reasoning, and thus robotic solutions aren't foolproof or completely dependable. So, this is all from my side. I hope you like it. All this is all about humanoid robots. Thank you.